Over 4 years ago today, this was the scene along downtown Sacramento's K Street. Dozens of police cars and hundreds of evidence markers, all pointing to the start of an investigation into Sacramento's deadliest mass shooting.
In just a few hours, 2 men will face a jury for the first time, both charged in connection to the K Street shooting.
ABC 10's Austin Castro joins us in studio with more on what we can expect heading into the trial. Austin.
Carolina and Jay, it was April 2022 that downtown shooting took place, leaving 6 people dead and 12 wounded. This morning, opening statements will begin for the trial for 2 of those suspects, Mtula Payton and DeAndre Martin. Now, ahead of the trial, I spoke with a legal expert about what we can expect and why this case may be more complicated than a typical murder trial. With multiple shooters and questions about who started the violence, attorneys say this won't be a simple case for jurors to untangle. The start of the trial comes after multiple years of legal delays. Sacramento attorney and former prosecutor Michael Wise, who is not directly involved in the case, tells me the role of gang culture adds another layer of complexity for jurors.
Get these 2 sides, if you will, who by the time things really jump off, they feel like they're both justified in their violence and their decisions. And that is part of the gang culture, if you will. And it makes it very hard for prosecutors to put the case on. And it creates a lot of work for counsel, for the defendants as well.
Now, he adds the idea of self-defense could also play a key role as investigators work to determine who was responsible for what happened that night. Prosecutors are also expected to rely on video, witnesses, and years of evidence as they lay out their case. Now, as for the timeline of this trial, Wise expects it to last at least a few weeks. Those opening statements are scheduled to start at the Sacramento County Courthouse at 9 later this morning. Back to you.
I know a lot of eyeballs will be on that courtroom, a lot of families looking for closure here. Austin Castro, thank you.